Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. Experience the perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality with the NZXT H7 Flow, a mid-tower PC case engineered for both enthusiasts and casual builders. Designed with airflow in mind, this case features striking perforated panels and 3 high-performance 120mm intake fans, ensuring your components stay cool even under heavy loads. The H7 Flow doesn't just excel at thermal performance, it also keeps noise in check, delivering a quieter computing experience without compromising airflow. The tempered glass side panel showcases your build, allowing your components to shine while keeping cable management clean and effortless. Supporting ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, the H7 Flow provides ample room for large GPUs up to 410mm and CPU coolers up to 185mm. It also accommodates multiple storage configurations, including 2 3.5-inch and 2 2.5-inch drives, giving you flexibility for SSDs and HDDs. Equipped with USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, and HD audio on the front panel, connectivity is convenient and fast. The chassis is fully compatible with liquid cooling setups, allowing for 1 or 2 large radiators to be installed with ease. With 7 PCI expansion slots, 7 fan positions, and a bottom-mounted ATX power supply support up to 270mm, the H7 Flow is ready for any high-performance build. At 21.4 by 9.6 by 18.75 inches and weighing 24.3 pounds, this premium mid-tower offers a perfect combination of airflow, aesthetics, and build quality, all at a reasonable price point. Upgrade your build today with the NZXT H7 Flow. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Turn building your PC into a fun, hands-on project with the Qube 500 DIY PC case. Designed for enthusiasts and families alike, this compact yet versatile chassis offers a playful, colorful aesthetic while supporting full ATX motherboards and full-size power supplies. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, making it a case that's as practical as it is enjoyable to assemble. The Qube 500 encourages creativity with swappable face panels, letting you refresh your setup's look whenever inspiration strikes. Its DIY-friendly design makes cable management and component installation straightforward, offering a satisfying building experience for newcomers and seasoned builders alike. Despite its fun, approachable design, the Qube 500 doesn't compromise on functionality, providing ample room for GPUs up to 368mm and CPU coolers up to 175mm. Inside, you'll find support for up to 4 3.5-inch drives and 3 2.5-inch drives, ensuring flexible storage options. The case includes one 120mm fan and 3 fan positions for optional cooling upgrades. Front panel connectivity features USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, and HD audio, giving you fast and convenient access to essential ports. Measuring 16.4 by 9.1 by 16.0 inches and weighing just 17 pounds, the Qube 500 fits comfortably on any desk or shelf while offering 7 PCI expansion slots and bottom-mounted ATX power supply support up to 215mm. Whether it's your first build or a memorable family project, the Qube 500 DIY PC case combines fun, style, and practicality for an unforgettable PC building experience. Number 3. InWin A3. Punch above your weight class with the InWin A3 Micro ATX PC case, a compact chassis that proves size doesn't limit performance. Slightly larger than a typical Micro ATX case, the A3 offers enhanced internal space, making it easier to build and upgrade your PC without compromising on thermal performance. Its sleek design, distinctive InWin styling, and tempered glass side panel ensure your components look as good as they perform. Designed for Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards, the A3 provides an ideal balance between compact size and upgrade potential. It accommodates GPUs up to 340mm, CPU coolers up to 162mm, and power supplies up to 200mm in length. Inside, you'll find support for two 3.5-inch drives and three 2.5-inch drives, giving you flexible storage options, while the top-mounted ATX power supply simplifies cable management. Cooling is robust for a case of this size, with one included 120mm fan, 5 fan positions for expansion, and support for addressable RGB fan lighting to create a visually striking build. Front panel connectivity includes USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio for convenience. Measuring 13.63 by 8.47 by 15.75 inches and weighing just 11.6 pounds, the Lian Li DAN A3-mATX case fits comfortably in tight spaces while delivering excellent airflow, functionality, and aesthetics. Perfect for performance-conscious PC builders seeking a compact yet capable chassis, the A3 combines style, versatility, and efficiency in one compact package. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. Bring style, performance, and value to your build with the View 270 ARGB mid-tower PC case. Perfect for gaming system builders seeking a standout chassis without breaking the bank, this case delivers features typically found in higher-end models at an affordable price under $100. Its vibrant green finish, wraparound tempered glass, and 3 included ARGB fans make your build as visually striking as it is functional. Additional color options include sleek white and hydrangea blue to suit any taste. The View 270 RG supports eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, offering flexibility for a variety of builds. It accommodates GPUs up to 428mm and CPU coolers up to 180mm, while the bottom-mounted ATX power supply supports units up to 280mm in length. Inside, you'll find space for two 3.5-inch and two 2.5-inch drives, and dust filters at all fan locations keep your components clean and efficient. Front panel connectivity includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, two USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio for convenience. The case features 7 PCI expansion slots, 6 positions for additional fans, and integrated ARGB lighting, allowing you to customize your system's look. Measuring 18.02 by 9.07 by 17.9 inches and weighing just 14 pounds, the View 270 RG ARGB combines excellent airflow, flexible compatibility, and striking aesthetics. This Editor's Choice Award-winning case is an exceptional value, giving your PC build a premium feel without the premium price. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. Discover the perfect balance of size, functionality, and value with the Lian Li DAN A3-mATX PC case. Developed in collaboration with German case specialist DAN Cases, this Micro ATX chassis offers thoughtful design and solid construction, making it an ideal choice for general-purpose builds in 2024. Slightly larger than a traditional compact case, the DAN A3 holds plenty of components while remaining unobtrusive on your desk. Its exceptional build quality and features earned it an Editor's Choice Award. Supporting Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards, the DAN A3 accommodates GPUs up to 425mm and CPU coolers up to 165mm. The front-mounted power supply supports ATX, SFX, and SFXL units up to 270mm, providing flexibility for a range of builds. Storage options include one 3.5-inch drive and three 2.5-inch drives, while optional side panel accessories let you customize your setup further. Front panel connectivity includes USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, two USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio, keeping your devices easily accessible. The case also features 4 fan positions and includes RGB fan lighting for added visual appeal. With 4 PCI expansion slots, you have room for multiple cards, and the front-mounted PSU helps maintain efficient airflow. Measuring 12.66 by 7.64 by 17.8 inches and weighing just 10.8 pounds, the Lian Li DAN A3-mATX PC case is the Goldilocks choice for builders seeking a compact, practical, and high-quality Micro ATX chassis. Experience a well-engineered build platform that delivers reliability, value, and style without compromise.